I want to talk to you about my hockey stick. All right, here's that 5 blow. It's pretty close, but we just need to lower it a little. So I'm going to grab my hockey stick and just put it there. Few scratches. You can see the gap hasn't changed at all, and now that's bang on. You know, anything you do affects the tuning, you know, whether it's gapping, reed shape, centering the reeds. So really tuning is the thing you want to do last. And if as you are tuning the reeds you're changing their shape, well, then you have to go back and reset their shape, and then in doing that, you're going to have to reset the tuning. So you need to find methods where you could change the tuning of a reed without changing its shape. We want to be taking brass off right here to lower the pitch. So that means we want to support this area on the other side, which is why we're taking the hockey stick and putting it there and then putting your finger over it, right? So as your finger is holding that in place, you can see the reed is well supported. You know, I'm just using my tool here to show you that this reed's not moving. Now if I go too far, I'm going to be changing the shape of the reed, but if I stick to this area, you know, with the file coming in from the front of the harp, I'm not going to be modifying the shape of the reed. Okay, I continuously refine how I use the tools, and this is my blow reed support tool. So it supports the blow reed for you to use a file, so you can sharpen the pitch, and you can also use it to support. You know, you put a curve in it, and you can support the blow reed as you make changes to the pitch, and you can use the file on the inside. Now, I've recently just had some moments of reflection, and I figured there's an easier way and there's a better way of doing this. That on the blow reed, it's probably a lot easier to support the reed from the outside with anything. I've used, you know, a small piece of toothpick that you could tailor to the size that you need. Whoops, went flying across the room. You know, a small piece of toothpick will fit in the slot right at the base where you could put your finger on it, and then you will not distort that reed. And it's a great way, it's a super fast way to tune the blow reeds without messing up the reed shape. This is 18 gauge wire, in case you're wondering the size, but you could do it with, you know, a round toothpick. You could do it with the flat toothpicks, just about anything at all. Put it there. A few scratches. You can see the gap hasn't changed at all. And now that's bang on. So that's the hockey stick. I hope that helps.